A new and awesome tool by Creative Fabrica that enables you to turn your thoughts, your ideas into amazing designs and arts by artificial intelligence. And the best thing here, you can use these creative designs in any project as you want, even in print-on-demand business with a commercial license. This amazing tool is so called Creative Fabrica Spark. So let me show you this enticing tool. Let's go. Here you can visit the homepage of Creative Fabrica and you can add after.com/ and type Spark. Well, and here we go in this Creative Fabrica Spark, where you can turn your thoughts, your ideas into amazing and wonderful designs and arts. As you see from all members of community, as you see, thus you can use these amazing and creative designs into your projects, in your items if you are working on print on demand, in Redbubble, merch by Amazon, Spreadshirt, and so on, with a full commercial license. As you see, it's a creative wolf, dog, deer, owl, and so on. So just here in this bar, you can type your description and your prompt and description of your art you want to generate here from Creative Fabrica Spark, like whimsical cat and hyper detailed eyes with some rats around and so on. Okay, or you can, for example, you can just use this one or this description to be quick. Okay, more detailed description of your art. So to make this amazing tool give you what you want, art and generated designs. So we can type here something like this one. Okay, and just ignite. Okay, and here you can select the dimensions of your design. Just wait 4 seconds. And Creative Fabrica Spark gives you a lot of these beautiful creatives, as you see. Or you can use one of these pre-made templates like realistic drawing of a husky or a unicorn or a rainbow and so on and so forth. Okay, as you see. And when you like this one of these beautiful creatives and arts, just you can go to this one, publish. Perfect. Just wait a few seconds. Instead of waiting in this queue, just you can speed up creation just for $9 per month. Okay, open. As you see, your created design and your art. So if you want to download this art to use on your project and your print on demand business, to print this image over a t-shirt, a mug, a shower curtain, and something like that, you have to go through this one free trial and the subscription of Creative Fabrica. So you can download this art by you or by any member of the community feed. Okay, and you will get access to all library of Creative Fabrica, including all graphics, pictures, Photoshop presets, backgrounds, fonts, and so on. Okay, just for $9 per month. Okay, so when you click over this one, activate your free trial, a whole 1 month free trial, and then you can go through the free trial of Creative Fabrica Spark, as you see. Okay, the free all access trial, 1 month free trial, then you can pay just for $9 a month. Okay, and after you go through this free trial, you have the ability to download this art, as you see. Okay, and just you can download with commercial usage allowed, as long as this generated art doesn't infringe any copyright and doesn't break any laws. Okay, so you can share this art to your friends via Twitter, Messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook, email, and Pinterest, and so on. And of course, you can use it on your print-on-demand items, t-shirt, shower curtains, tank tops, and so on. Okay, and this amazing tool is mainly directed for free users to make the benefit of this Creative Fabrica Spark and all access of all other contents of Creative Fabrica. And so there is another thing you have to know. If you're an actual subscriber or you have the all access subscription in Creative Fabrica before, so when you visit Creative Fabrica Spark and you want to download this amazing art to use later on your projects and go through this free trial to subscribe Creative Fabrica Spark, okay, activate free trial. Here you will find this one. Your account is not eligible for this promotion because this promotion is only directed for free users. So if you want to make the best of this Creative Fabrica Spark, so you have to make a new free account, and therefore you can subscribe or sign up to the Creative Fabrica Spark. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.